Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Firebase for authentication in no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Firebase website. In the top right corner, click on the Get Started button. Sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you will be directed to the Firebase console. Click on the Add Project button. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Optionally, you can select whether to enable Google Analytics for this project. Click on Create Project once you've completed the fields. Wait for the project to be created, which may take a few moments. Once the project is ready, click on Continue to enter your Firebase project dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Build to open the drop-down menu. Click on Authentication to access the authentication settings. You will see a Get Started button. Click on it to enable Firebase authentication. In the Sign In Method tab, you will find various authentication options. Choose the sign-in providers you want to enable, such as email/password or Google. Toggle the switch to enable the provider you choose. For email/password, you may want to allow email link sign-in as well. For Google sign-in, make sure to configure the project's OAuth consent screen as required. After configuring the providers, click on Save in the upper right corner. Next, access your project settings by clicking on the gear icon next to Project Overview at the top left. In the Settings, navigate to the General tab. Scroll down to the Your Apps section. Click on the web icon to register a new web app. Enter a nickname for your web app and click Register App. You will be presented with a Firebase configuration snippet. Copy this configuration snippet for later use in your no-code app. Now, switch to your no-code app builder. Locate the settings or customization area for integrating Firebase. Paste the Firebase configuration snippet into the specified field in your no-code app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.